No, I have hair. Hi my loves, it's Amaya. So today I filmed this hairstyle. So we did a half flat twist, half regular twist, and half in the front flat twist, and then the back regular twist. This is one of the styling options I chose. I really like this hairstyle. It's protective. It's easy because there's no braiding. It's just flat twists. We love flat twists in this house, honestly. It gets your hair out of your face and it can get it off of your neck as well, especially if you have shorter hair. This is perfect for people who have any type of hair. Like, I was probably about a year into growing my hair when I first tried this, and I don't know if my hair necessarily fit in buns at the time, but just having it out and doing like a little half up, half down type of thing, loved it. That worked for me personally, and it's great. It's good for the pool. It's good for summer. Even though it's a corona time summer, it's fine. It's cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with my Wild Growth hair oil. I just put this on the scalp, massage it in. You know the drill. I do this for any of my hairstyles regardless of what I'm doing. Anytime I wash my hair, I am using this oil afterwards. Next, I'm going to take a big dollop of Luster's Pink curl and twist pudding. I'm just going to put it kind of all over my hair, just to give it like a base of hydration sort of thing. Next, I'm just going to be dividing my hair from ear to ear, and this is just going to be the first section of my twists. Normally, this is the first section that I always start out with, about this width of my hair, and then I add in a little bit more of the curl and twist pudding, and then I just detangle it with a wide tooth comb since I want everything to be flat and evenly distributed. So of that bigger section, I divided my hair into 4 separate sections just to start the twist. I'm just regularly 2-strand twisting this, and then I'm taking a little comb and I'm making sure to comb out the ends of my hair just so that they can twist up really well. So this is after all of the twists, and then I realized that I didn't like how crooked it was, so this is me just kind of properly parting my hair. We're trying to get better. So this section here, this is a bit of a longer section, and this is where I'm starting my first flat twist. And just doing the same thing, adding the curl and twist pudding, detangling my hair, and then I'm just doing a flat twist. A flat twist is so easy. That's why I love doing them, because they look pretty and they're so easy. So it's literally just, you're twisting your hair like a normal twist. You're just picking up hair as you go. Like, it's not as difficult as like trying to cornrow or anything like this. Like, this is easy. I promise you can get it if you just follow my hand movements and stuff. You'll get it. No, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, and this is just the other section, and I'm also putting the same process, curl and twist pudding, blah 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 blah. And I'm just going to single strand this because I'm just making up for the terrible parting that I did. So this is my next flat twist. I did a total of 6 flat twists in my hair at the top of it. And yeah, you know, I'm just parting my hair, gonna go through the motions again, and that's it. And so here I don't know why I did this, but I started taking out the single twists that I had put in my hair. And then I realized that I was stupid for doing so. So then I started putting back these single twists. So that's all. Next, I'm just taking the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, and I'm just kind of putting that all over my hair just to give my hair a little bit of shine, kind of seal everything in, you know? And this is the back of my hair. You know, it doesn't look that cute, but it's okay. Looking at the sides of my hair. When I went to bed, I put on a scarf, and I also put a bonnet on top of that, but for the time being I just put it in a little bun. Okay, so this is the finished hair. So I don't like this hairstyle while it's left out on me personally. I did my edges as well, by the way. I thought I filmed, but apparently I wasn't. I don't know, it just feels like it needs to be up to me. I can't explain it. I don't know why. It just is what it is. So the first thing I would do is just a little bun in the back. Just because it's easy, it's protective, it's super cute. And let me try and tuck these ends away. So here's the bun. I feel like my first bun was cuter than this, but what can I do? Yeah, so we can either do a bun, you can do a high bun, you could do a low bun, or we can do a, let me try half up, half down. You could do a half up, half down look like this. Oh, this is so cute. Here, let me put this in a bun because I like buns. My little twists. So there's that. Or you can do a like a space bun type of deal. Like I said, I just like buns. I don't know. Like once my hair was long enough to be put in a bun, that's when I knew my hair was long. Like as soon as I could put it into a bun slash ponytail, That's when I knew I had inches, okay? Or you could do like the 2 buns on top and then the hair on the bottom fallen, that sort of thing. But I think this is what I'm gonna do personally. I think this is it for me. But yeah, you know, 3 cute hairstyles along with that one hairstyle. If your hair allows it, my hair doesn't. It just, I don't know, I just don't like how it looks like that. I really like this hairstyle in general because it's so versatile. It's so versatile. I don't know how to I don't know which way you say it, but yeah, like I think there's a lot of different things that you can do with this hairstyle. I'd say it can last maybe at least 3 or 4 days, depending on what products you use. I know that this probably wouldn't last me as long because I didn't use any gel or like edge control or anything like that to like, you know, really slick it down and like preserve. I just used the curl and twist pudding, but if I were to use like the gel, like Eco Styler, or like there's like this jam, I'll put the product somewhere around here, like that product, then this would last me probably a lot longer than a few days. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.